dining area and shelf. And Jesus Christ, and they're painting, and you will see more details. This is where we did the makeup video. And look, I show you. If you haven't watched it, we have this. It's a bench, baby bench. It's called perfume. It smells really good. It's bubble gum. Next we have is this. It's also a bench. This is Daily Spell. It's body mist. It's pretty tiny. It's a perfume as well. And we got last one. We got the baby. No wait. Daily Scent Focus. Won't focus. Wait. It's Daily Scent cologne or perfume, and it's a happy hour. So that's all my Christmas gifts with my classmate. You will see bags here. This is kind of a lame house tour, but just so you see the kitchen. You will see our huge fridge. Got our water dispenser over there. And we got the stove and an oven. We don't use the oven that much. And there is all the shelves over there. And we got a toaster, a microwave, some mugs and cups, plates and spoons, a knife there, and more knives there, hot coffee blender, and condiments, more condiments and spices, more condiments and spices there, and there is some food there. We also got a biscuit box there. We got a medicine cabinet. Next, the side of we got here is the bathroom, and go here we got a mirror. And we got the chair, we got
Christmas tree.
the Christmas tree. It's
Very
huge.
big.
Okay, so we got the hanging Santa there, and got a couch. We also have a couch. Excuse me, you keep laughing. We got my bags here. Lights there. You'll see the stairs here. Go up one step. See the mirror. Go up. Here you will see a shelf, cabinets. Excuse me. See suitcases. Clothes. See here the bedroom of our parents. We usually sleep here because it's hot. And another mirror. This is air Here our room. And we don't usually sleep. First night we slept here. So this is my bed, that's my sister's bed. My bed, my sister's bed. She's hiding again. Go on. Go downstairs. And that's pretty much the house tour. I know that's pretty short, but it's all in our house. Our house is pretty small. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.